Hello everyone. So today we are going to fix iPhone 6 Plus a touch issue, which is very common. So let's have a look. You see, it's no touch at all. Yep. So we start. So this is the touch IC. So we are going to remove it and put one jumper on the ME pad. So look at this side, the plastic cover still in a nice and flat position, so it's not a shrink. If you find this side this plastic is a shrink together, that means you use the temperature a little bit higher, so then this one is get damaged. So let's start testing. The touch IC issue is pretty straightforward. It's quite simple, and yeah, lots of people use it to start their repair experience. It's good to learn how to repair iPhones from fix the charging IC issue. The iPhone 6s or iPhone 6 Plus is a little bit old and take a longer time to start than the iPhone 7. Yep, it started like you see. Yeah, we have a touch now. So yeah, the touch IC repair is pretty easy. Okay, thank you for watching.